So there are two ways of getting people into a group. Well, at least, actually, maybe three. One is to invite them. One is to be asked by somebody proactively to enter the group. And then I suppose the third is to advertise, right?
You can't directly advertise a group with Facebook ads, but you can connect your group to your business page. And when you do connect your group to your business page, you can pin an announcement to you about your group to the top of your business page. So that's a great way to drive traffic to your page.
Okay.
When you were talking about best practices, so it's kind of like not super cool to just add people to your group. So when you're doing outreach and you want to invite people to your group, make sure you share why and what's in it for them.
Actually, let me just jump in and ask. I'm going to interrupt you there, which my wife hates when I interrupt, but I'll never remember this.
Yeah.
So it's not cool to just add people, which begs the question, can you just add somebody to your group without inviting them and having them say yes?
Well, yes, you can, but it usually ticks them off. And again, it depends on whether or not your group is open or closed. So there is some nuances to the types of groups and the different things that you can and can't do. But regardless of whether you can do it or not, don't. Is my message to you. Make sure you have do some outreach and say why you feel like this might be a great fit. And if they would, if they're interested, here's the link, and then they can join, actually even by the virtue of sending an invite, the link to the group is in that invite. So I would definitely encourage personal outreach instead of just, hey, you're in my group, because it really does annoy people. And now when they see those opportunities and if they don't feel led to join your group, they can actually block that group. So you're never going to get them, going forward. And that's never a good thing.